Hello, I am Vanshika Pachori from Mount Carmel School, and I am going to recite a self-composed poem for the Unity and Integrity Day. U precedes victory. It's universal. Nation's end nods to the nostalgia of all. With I, let's empower to initiate. Tenaciously treads the day to appreciate. You and I, so strong to make why yearn. Thus enters unity with hued hands to earn. Integrity is not just a worthy word. It embraces interest and greets the glorious Lord. It shines like the dewdrops in the mornlight. This clutches effort, power, trust so tight. Unity and integrity thrive graciously in this kingdom in sight. This is the key that opens all shackles with all might.
Hello, I'm Kankshita Kaushik from Mount Carmel. Today, I'm going to tell you about National Unity Day. National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st of October every year by the Indian people. It is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who really unified the country. The aim of introducing this day is to remember the extraordinary works done by him. The central government of India introduced this day in New Delhi in 2014. The people of India celebrate this day by organizing various events. The floral tribute is given to the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel at Patel Chowk, New Parliament Street in New Delhi every year in the morning. Run for Unity programs also take place. It is held in major cities, various places in the rural areas and district towns. Youths from schools, colleges, educational institutions and NCCs, NSS take part in the program. The aim of introducing this day is to maintain the national unity of people in India as well as to maintain the national and unity integration among citizens. These activities play a great role in conveying the message that unity can maintain a peaceful society as well as remove public threats and also keeping the citizens united.
Unity and integrity are two pearls in the oyster. That's our nation. We stand so preciously holding all the religions, communities and languages and still proudly stand by each other. It is a nostalgic feeling to be empowered by the strength of togetherness, love and unity. It is a milestone. The Statue of Unity was completed in just 33 months. It is an example of unity. We have read so many stories about unity, but our nation is one tall tree which acts as a canopy to accommodate all the nationalistic fervor. So, my friends, be united to be in harmony.